These days, it's easier than ever to shop online. And because online shopping is so easy, we all wind up doing a whole lot of it. And since there's so many different sites competing for your money, it's harder than ever to know if you're actually getting the best bang for your buck. If only there was something that could help save us money on all of our online shopping, like an app that automatically searches the entire internet for the best deals on the stuff we want, or an app that sends us alerts when an item we're waiting for goes on sale, or best of all, an app that actually lets us make money while shopping online by giving us cash back rewards on all of our purchases. Well, I've got some good news for you. Apps like that are very real, and there's a ton of them. That's right, you can actually save money and make money while you shop online with apps. No more clipping coupons. These apps do the dirty work for you. And I'm going to show you all of my favorite money-making apps and walk you through how they work. Now, it's important to remember that you should never spend money just to save. Apps like these are awesome for getting rewards on purchases that you'd make anyway, but you should never buy something just because you get cash back or it's on sale. And don't forget about the best deal of all time. Everything is 100% off when you just don't buy it. Before I get into my list of money-making apps that actually work, I want to share my biggest hack of all: shop on a desktop or a laptop computer. I know. Shopping on your phone is way easier, but when you use an actual computer, you have way more options with things like browser extensions. Yep, it's true. By shopping on your smartphone, you could be missing out on some sweet savings opportunities. All right, let's dive into how you can use apps to make money while you shop through cashback, promo codes, price comparisons, and so much more. 10 apps that make money. Number 1 is Honey. When it comes to using apps to make money, Honey is one of my favorites and the easiest out there. Not only do they automatically apply coupons to your online shopping cart, but they also give you cash back with what's called Honey Gold, just for making purchases that you would normally make. And in case you're not familiar with Honey, it's a free tool that scours the internet for you to search deals, discounts, and promo codes on whatever you're shopping for. You can download Honey as a browser extension on Chrome or Safari, or you can just use their app. They have a Honey mobile Safari extension that works on your iPhone. Now, when you're shopping online, Honey will pop up with alerts to let you know if you're getting the best deal, and when you check out, they'll automatically test coupons for you. Pretty sweet, huh? Honey also has something called Drop List. If you've been eyeballing a pair of Apple iPods Pro, but don't want to pay full price, add them to Drop List and they'll notify you when they're on sale. So you don't have to keep checking every single day. To date, a buddy of mine who uses this more frequently than I do saved over $5,000 on purchases and received $175 cash back using Honey. Not too shabby, huh? Now here are the pros. You get automatic coupons and cash back for purchases. And the cons, you don't make as much cash back as some other apps. How you make money. Honey finds deals, discounts, and promo codes. How to shop. Use the app for iOS and Android, or the browser extension for Chrome or Safari. Number 2, Rakuten. The best thing about Rakuten is the opportunity to earn cash back. You can get up to 10% cash back while shopping at stores you normally shop at anyway, as long as you use the Rakuten website link for online shopping. They'll let you cash out your rewards every 3 months and either send them to your PayPal account, or if you want to go old school, they'll send you a paper check. So far, Rakuten has paid over $2 billion in cash back to their members, and if you're using the browser extension on your computer, Rakuten will show you when another site has a cheaper price on the item you're looking at. For instance, let's say you look up a pair of shoes on Nike and Rakuten shared that I can get the same pair of shoes at Shoe Carnival for $6 cheaper. Score. Plus, if you sign up, you can get $10 cash back when you spend $25 in the first 3 months. And if you think you can't earn cash back while shopping in person, you just thought wrong. Just link the offer to your debit card and pay with your debit card in the store. Easy enough, right? But remember, don't spend just to get cash back. Only buy what you already planned in for your budget. Pros. Rakuten helps you find the best deals and you get back up to 10% cash back as well as a sign-up bonus. Cons. They only do their payouts quarterly. So how do you make money? You get cash back reward payouts through PayPal or a check in the mail. How to shop. Use the app for iOS and Android for the browser extension for Chrome and Safari. Number 3, RetailMeNot. If you're a deal lover, You've probably heard of this one. While I'm an online shopper, the first place I go is RetailMeNot. It's quick, it's easy, and it lets me know if there's a promo code or discount for whatever I'm planning to buy, whether it's a new pair of shoes or a pizza. And just like Honey Gold and Rakuten, RetailMeNot offers its account holders the opportunity to get cash back up to $50. They'll even let you get cash back and use the promo code for a discount at the same time on the same purchase. Now that's what I'm talking about. And when it comes to cashing out your cash back, they'll either send it to your PayPal account or Venmo you. Just remember, getting your purchase approved takes some time. For RetailMeNot, it's a 45-day process. Pros, you can get cash back and discount at hundreds of stores. Cons, getting your cash rewards takes a while. How you make money. Cashback rewards pay out through PayPal or Venmo. How to shop. Use the website or the app for iOS or Android. Number 4, Ibotta. Ibotta makes it fairly easy to earn cashback rewards both in a store and online. All you have to do is download the app or browser extension, add the offers you want to use, do some shopping, and then scan your receipt if you're shopping in a store. Ibotta's cashback offers vary depending on the brand or store you're shopping with, and if you're one for gift cards, you can even get cash back on these too. Once your account reaches $20 or more, you can send the money to PayPal instead of getting more gift cards, which encourages even more spending, by the way. The welcome bonuses are pretty great too. Something to keep in mind. This app is all about brands and may sway you toward one brand over another depending on the cash back. So don't buy the more expensive name brand item just to save money. That's how they get you. Pros, you can earn cash back on purchases both online and in the store. Cons, you get ads. You have to add offers before you shop. And if you shop in store, you need to upload receipts. How do you make money? Cashback rewards pay out through PayPal. How to shop. Use the app for iOS or Android and the browser extension for Chrome. Number 5, Fetch Rewards. You can also use the Fetch Rewards app to make money. And unlike many other apps, it lets you cash out with as little as $3 worth of rewards after your first redemption. The only thing is you can only cash out for things like gift cards or cash sweepstakes. And that's definitely not as great as cold hard cash. Using Fetch Rewards is easy enough. You simply snap a picture of your receipt from any store. Digital receipts work too, and you'll get at least 25 points for each shopping experience. And if you really want to earn more points, Fetch rewards you even more for shopping at specific stores or buying specific brands. Now here's the nice thing. You don't need to add offers to your app before you use it, which I love. And last but not least, Fetch gives you 2 whole weeks to upload your receipt. Pros, you can shop anywhere to earn points. Cons, you can only cash out for gift cards and cash sweepstakes entries. How you make money. You can earn points and exchange them for gift cards or entries in cash sweepstakes. How to shop. Use the app for iOS or Android. Number 6, Target. You've probably heard of Target. It's one of the best stores to shop for just about everything. And if you aren't taking advantage of Target Circle rewards in the Target app to save on your purchases, you're missing out. One of the things I love most about Target Circle is that you can sort them by discount amounts, which can be up to 50% off. Now don't get crazy and start buying stuff that you don't need just because it's on sale, but using the feature might save you money on something you're going to purchase anyway. So stick to your shopping list. If you're somebody like me who doesn't care about brands, then it's a great way to save on your next shopping trip. Using the Target app gives you 1% cash back on eligible purchases and in-app discounts. Just make sure to add the coupons to your app before you shop. And if you want to save even more, check out Target's store debit card, known as the Red Card, to get 5% instant savings on all purchases. Just be sure not to get confused with the credit card they offer, also called Red Card. Pros, you can save money with the Red Card and filter by discounting using the app. Cons, you have to add offers before you shop. How to make money. You get cash back rewards and discounts for purchases at Target, then you join their shoppers club and use their store debit card. How to shop. Use the website or the app for iOS or Android. Number 7, Slick Deals. Slick Deals is another money-making app to keep in mind when you're shopping for something specific. Now, they hang their hat on being the app that helps you shop smarter and save more. And with this app or browser extension, you can type in the item you're looking for and sign up for a custom deal alert. And they'll let you know when the item is on sale or there might be a deal. Now keep in mind this app does promote and advertise specific deals, and those deals may not even be the very best ones out there for that item. Slick Deals also has cashback rewards programs when you make purchases on their website, app, or browser extension. You'll collect points, and that can be redeemed through PayPal or gift cards. Another unique thing about Slick Deals is that you can vote on deals and post the deals yourself to let other people in on the money-making goodness without clipping coupons. And here's my favorite feature personally. Pros, you get the custom deal alerts and cash back. Cons, promoted deals aren't always the best deals. How to make money. You get alerts for discounts on items you're interested in and reward points you can redeem for cash or gift cards. How to shop. Use their website, the app for iOS or Android, or the browser extension for Chrome. Number 8, Dosh. The best part about Dosh is how easy it is to use. No receipt scanning, offer loading, or even promo codes. The less hassle, the better, right? It's so easy because Dosh has you link your debit card straight to the app. When you shop, your cash goes straight to your Dosh wallet. But here's the kicker. Not all debit cards work with Dosh, and you'll have to do some research to see if yours earns cash back. If you do earn cash back, once you get up to $15, you can transfer it to your bank, PayPal, or Venmo, or give that money to charity. And that's pretty cool. Pros, you don't have to scan your receipts to load your offers before making a purchase. And the cons are you have to link a card to earn points, so it doesn't work for cash spending. How you make money. Cashback rewards pay out through your bank, PayPal, or Venmo. How to shop. Use the app for iOS or Android. Number 9, Swagbucks. If you're looking for an app to make money, Swagbucks should be on your download list. Not only can you earn points by shopping online with Swagbucks, but you can also earn points by taking surveys, searching the web, making referrals, playing games, watching videos, and more. When you use the browser extension, the Swag button, isn't that the coolest name ever? You get alerts for deals when you're shopping online too. Plus, you sign up for your free account, you can get $10 for spending $25 at a Swagbucks approved store. But one more time for the folks in the back, don't spend money to save money. Only use these apps for purchases that you would make even if you didn't have the apps. Pros, you get to earn cash back through more spending. Cons, the points may not be worth the effort. How you make money. You get deal alerts, cashback, and other rewards. How to shop. Use their website, the app for iOS or Android, or the browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Number 10, CamelCamel. Last but not least on the list is CamelCamel, which is a free Amazon price tracker. While it technically isn't an app, it's a website and browser extension. CamelCamel still is a great way to save money online while you're shopping. You can sign up for alerts on items you've had your eye on, and they'll tell you when the price drops. Pretty great, right? Let's say you're in the market for a new TV, but don't want to spend the list price on Amazon. That's where their free browser extension, Camelizer, comes in. Almost as cool as the name Swag button. Just sign up for price drop alerts, and before you know it, you'll get notification in your email telling you it's the right time to buy. The beauty of this site is that it saves you time, and it's free. Not only that, but you'll be able to see the price history on what you're purchasing, so you know if you're getting the best price possible. Pros, you get a free Amazon price tracker. Cons, it may not have everything you're looking for. How to make money. Price drop notifications alert you about specific items you're interested in. How to shop. Use the website or browser extensions on Chrome. The best money app. Now that you've maxed out your smartphone storage from downloading all these apps, I currently have about 500 apps on my phone, I think. I want to talk about the best app that will help you keep track of your money that you're making and saving every month. It's called EveryDollar. I use it personally, and I'm not getting paid to promote any of these. I'm just telling you what I like. EveryDollar is the world's best budgeting app, and it's the one I personally use to manage my money and track my spending. Not only is it free, but it helps you save money every single month by doing a zero-based budget. As long as you're intentional and stick to the budget, you can find money you never knew you had. Now that's what I'm talking about. Download EveryDollar for free today and start saving money. Believe me, it's worth the storage space on your phone, 149.5 megabytes to be exact. Now go forth and spend wisely, my friends. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. This is The Business Guy.